What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. I've been very busy. I had a baby. I had a lot going on. I lost my dad. Anyway, so I'm making this video because I want to show you how to make your own DIY deodorant. Now, deodorant off the shelf is really bad for you. I've done so much research, and it talks about how it has ingredients that do contain carcinogens, which are cancerous, which cause cancer. They have ingredients that cause Alzheimer's. It's a lot of gunk in there. There's aluminum in there. And as soon as I found that out, I thought that was disgusting, because it's been proven that a lot of women who have been using it, because you put it underneath your armpits right here, it's right next to your breast area. So a lot of women are actually getting breast cancer. They're getting bumps underneath their armpits, and I want to do better for myself, so I started to make my own deodorant. So I used a couple of ingredients. They have other deodorants out there where you can use less ingredients or more ingredients or different kinds of ingredients, but this is just what I used. So you could give it a try, see if it works for you. Remember, what works for me may not work for you. What works for you may not work for me. So keep that in mind. Baking soda is antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and it absorbs moisture. So when you're sweating, this is going to help to absorb the nasty sweat. Your next ingredient is going to be cornstarch. So cornstarch is also going to do what baking soda does when it comes to absorbing the moisture. So you can never have too much, and plus cornstarch will also help thicken your deodorant paste, so that way it can go on much better. Your next ingredient is going to be shea butter. Shea butter is nourishing and moisturizing, and it's an anti-inflammatory. So this is going to feel really good on your skin. Your next ingredient is going to be cocoa butter. I don't know if you could see that. There we go. You can see it now. So cocoa butter is a good moisturizer, and it penetrates in the skin for a deep hydration. Now remember, you don't have to use the exact ingredients that I use, but I like these ingredients a lot, and it works really good for me. So your next ingredient is going to be vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil blocks free radicals from your skin, and it's an antioxidant. Coconut oil. And I get this really big container of coconut oil from Amazon for like a super good price, like less than 20 bucks. So coconut oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and it's a moisturizer as well. Your next ingredient is beeswax. So beeswax could come in any kind of form. I got the block ones just because they were a good price. But they all work the same. And beeswax is a protective barrier, and it holds moisture, so that way your skin will not be dry, and it reduces the dryness. So it also helps with everything pretty much, and it's gonna hold the paste kind of together, so that way it's not like too mushy or moving around or watery. And for my last two ingredients is from Young Living. Really good high quality essential oils, tea tree and lavender. So tea tree essential oil is antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and it has a beautiful smell, and it eliminates odors. We need that when it comes to deodorant, something to combat those odors. And lavender is an anti-inflammatory, and it has a gorgeous scent. Lavender is also common. So, yep. So that is all the ingredients. We're gonna go and put it together, and we're gonna come up with a deodorant paste. So it's gonna be like whipped, and it's gonna be like delicious. Not to eat, delicious on my skin though. So let's go and make it. I actually need this. Bye. So we are done making our deodorant paste, and now I had put it all into this jar, and I actually reused this jar. This jar used to be filled with a different product that I had in there, and as soon as I was done with the product, I kept the container. It's a glass container. So, and then I just took the product tag off that was on it, and then I put tape, decorative tape, so it's all nice and glittery and girly and pretty. So, and then I had like a little spatula kind of thing. So, and I feel like deodorant paste like this are so much better than the ones that actually touch your skin, because if you think about it, when you're using deodorant, you're constantly using it on your skin different days all the time, and you're putting bacteria back onto it, and then when you're using it again, you put bacteria onto you and then take bacteria back, and then I just feel like that's kind of gross. It's not sanitary. So I feel like a paste is just so much better. Look how nice it looks. It came out so good. And I didn't put too much beeswax because I didn't want it to be really, really hard. I really wanted it to be more like a pasty paste feeling. So all I do is just take the spatula. See how nice and easy that comes up? And then once I take the amount that I want for my armpit, I just kind of like, you know, wipe it on my hand, and then I rub underneath my armpit with it. And it smells so good. So, yes, I feel like this is just the best way to put deodorant on when it's like this. But I hope you enjoyed my DIY. And let me know if it worked for you. Please leave comments. If it didn't work for you, I'm sorry. Maybe switch up some of the ingredients to make it work for you somehow. Sometimes it's kind of like a trial and error kind of thing. So, but I do hope you love this video. And if you do, thumbs up, like it, please subscribe. And I love you. Until next time. Bye-bye.